Hello guys, it's Emma and I'm making fluffy slime. Oh.
Do you see how it's starting already?
Yeah.
It's the contact solution that does it.
Mm-hmm. So what I put in is like blue food coloring, shaving cream, contact solution, glue, and that's technically it. Oh my god. This is so cool. Whoa.
Maybe more contact solution.
More contact solution, definitely. But today I got my braces off. So all the people who's in my class who watch me, you'll see me without braces. Oh, can I feel it? Can I touch?
It's slimy.
Oh, slime. So you can use borax, but that's just more dangerous, so I recommend not using borax and just use a contact solution. But thank you to my cousin Nicole for buying all the ingredients for me. Whoa, whoa. My last video, that ugly slime, but now it's way better. And can I touch it?
It's really not so sticky anymore. Oh, maybe I'll put a little bit more and hopefully it'll become less sticky.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's cool.
Hold on. Well, if you do that, you're not going to have slime. Okay? Because it's going to be all stuck to your fingers. So.
Okay. Look at my hand. It's all slimy.
Melted marshmallow.
I know. There's a little slime bubble. I just want to touch the slime bubble. Oh my god, this is like the best slime ever. Whoa. Whoa. Is it less sticky? Whoa. Whoa. It's sticky. Look at my hand. It's all sticky. Ooh. It dripped out. Oh my god. Can I start mixing?
Yeah.
Oh. So I'm sorry if I have to end the video because I have to mix the slime, but later I will film me actually like playing with the slime and showing you it, but otherwise, bye!